Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run HTML in Visual Studio Code. So let's have a look now. At first, you have to install a new extension. Click on the extension button and choose an extension called Open in Browser. Here is the extension. Click on the install button to install this. Now, create a new HTML file or open an existing one. After opening the file, save it. Press Ctrl plus S to save the changes. Right-click on it. From the menu, select Open in Default Browser, or also you can select Open with Live Server. Click on the browser you prepared. Your chosen browser will open, displaying a preview of your HTML code. So, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.